How can I specify which Python version Poetry should create Venv? I started using Poetry recently. I really like straightforward package management, but I can't seem to resolve one thing: the Python version it should use. I have Python 3.9 and 3.7 on my machine. 3.7 is higher in priority in system environmental variables, so that might be the reason of the issue. But let's get back to example. Part of my pyproject.toml file looks like this. I manually changed Python to 3.9.2, used Poetry add to add pandas and requests and then ran Poetry install. I had virtualenv.in project set to true, so my virtual environment was created without any error in my project directory. However, when it is activated, I can see it is using Python 3.7.9 on Windows, starting from a PowerShell window. How can I explicitly tell Poetry to use the exact Python version if pyproject.toml python equals 3.9.2 is not enough? Is it picking the first Python environmental variable, which in my case is Python 37? Or am I missing something here?
Poetry can't fully manage Python versions on its own using the version specified in the pyproject.toml. You can either use a tool like Venv or Venv if you're using Windows for managing multiple versions, or you can use Poetry in use path to Python. If Python 3.9 is in your path or available on your system via Venv or some similar version management tool, you can use Poetry in use Python 3.9 or Poetry in use 3.9. You can read more about Poetry and use here.
He likes a fortunate Christmas Day and a baby